In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix page failed to load error on Amazon Alexa app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're getting this error and you're told there was an issue loading the web page, please try again while trying to navigate pages on Alexa app. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you need to ensure that you are not connected to any VPN, as this might be causing the issue. However, if you are not connected to any VPN or you're not using any proxy or security app that you installed recently, then go to settings to troubleshoot your Alexa app. From settings, look for this option called apps, and from apps you should see manage apps or all apps. If you tap on this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, go for Amazon Alexa, and as you can see, it is here. From this page, now go to force stop and confirm by tapping on OK, and then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Again, go to clear all data and OK. And now log in afresh and see if you can now access these pages without any issue. In most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. But should this not work, then you want to check if you have any update for your app, either through Google Play Store or App Store, and update your app to the latest version. However, if this still persists, then most likely Alexa app has experienced an internal error. For that, you need to wait and try after some few minutes. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.